Tired of rubbery, sad omelets? Let's flip the script and make breakfast magic. First up, grab 3 fresh eggs. Crack them into a bowl and whisk go for 30 seconds. Get those whites and yolks fully mingled. Now, season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Want extra flavor? Add a splash of milk or cream, just a tablespoon will do. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low. Add a teaspoon of butter and swirl to coat. Here's the secret. Don't let the pan get too hot. We want gentle heat for a tender omelette. Pour in your eggs. Wait 5 seconds, then with a spatula gently pull the edges toward the center as the eggs set. Tilt the pan so the uncooked egg slips to the sides. Keep going until it's just a little bit runny on top. Now the fun part. Fillings. Cheese, herbs, diced veggies, ham, drop them onto 1/2. Don't overstuff, less is more. Fold the omelette over, turn off the heat and let it sit for 30 seconds. The heat will finish cooking it to silky perfection. Slide your masterpiece onto a plate. Garnish with chives, a sprinkle of pepper, or whatever you love. That's it. Simple, foolproof, and oh so delicious. You just made the best omelette ever. Share your creation and tag us. Let's see your breakfast victory. Excited for more kitchen tips? Hit subscribe and let's keep cooking.